How to blur photo on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can blur photo on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the edit option on your photos gallery on your iPhone does not have the blur feature. So to use the blur feature, you will actually need to download a different app. So for that, open up your app store. Here you can download any photo editing software. You can just download any app that you want. I will use InShot. Here you can open up InShot, just download InShot and open it up. So let me just open InShot. And after you open up InShot or any app or any software that you'd like, just choose the photo section and then add a photo. After you add a photo, you will see different options on the bottom. Here you will see a sticker option. Tap on sticker and there you'll find different stickers that you can use. So I'll not be using stickers here. I'll just use an option called blur. It should be somewhere around here. There you'll find detail. Tap on detail and there the blur is. So you can choose different types of blur here. As you can see, the different effects of blur. So just choose the blur that you want. So this blur is the classic blur that we normally use. Here you can increase the intensity of the blur as well, as you can see. So after you choose the intensity, you can choose the opacity as well. After that, you can just select the area that you want to blur. And after you're done, just tap on done and then you can upload it or export it. And that's really easy. That's basically how you blur a photo on iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.